and welcome to today's video on the butterfly method for adding and subtracting fractions. So this will come up in a GCSE non-calculator paper, and it's a really easy way to do these questions. Right, so let's have a look. We've got 3/7 plus 2/9. First of all, we're going to draw ourselves some wings. One wing around the 3 and the 9, and one wing around the 7 and the 2. And then we're going to multiply. 3 times 9, because they're in the same wing, which is 27. 7 times 2 to give us 14 in the same wing. And then we're also going to do this bottom bit here, where we've got 7 and 9, and just tidy up here and make it a 63. So now what we do is we take the two numbers that are in the top bits, so like in the ears, if you like, and add them up. So 27 plus 14 is going to give me 41. Over this bit on the bottom, 63. So therefore 3/7 plus 2/9 is 41 over 63. All right, let's have it. If we were subtracting, it works in exactly the same way. So you've got your two wings there. The numbers in this case are exactly the same, except this time what we're going to do is we're going to do 27 minus 14 to give us 13 over 63. I hope that was useful. So that is the butterfly method for adding and subtracting fractions. If you liked this, please like it, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Yes, I do have compass earrings in, don't ask. But anyway, let me know what you think, hope it's useful, and message me with questions.